How to make the perfect swallow to avoid kpili. Benyomoido, how you tell they make your swallow? Anytime I make my own, it dey always come out with seed. My dear, come join this group, watch this video, make I show you how I tell they make, especially this particular pando. When we say even small pikin when they born today, it go dey easy for am to make because e no need stress to turn out. Normally, you fit boil your hot water direct from your pot, but because I get hot water when I don't use make tea remain, I no want make it waste. Oh, electricity bill now, it dey expensive, so I can't turn am inside the pot on the fire at the same time. Use boiling water. If you want use cold water, you fit still use am, but that one a long process. Now I can't pour am inside the water. Why I know say only my belly go fit chop. Now so I can't dey turn am. You see the way I take the turn am without stress. We get different kind of swallow, especially for Nigeria, Africa. But this very particular one, they very easy to make. I no add too much water as I dey make am. Why? Because I won't cook am well with hot water, make it done. Because pando when not done, e be like egusi when not done. Now your belly na go tell am at the end of the day. So I try make sure say everything don't absorb the water. You see the way I take the turn am, so I want make it strong so that I go first add hot water, join am again, boil am. After I don't turn out together finish. You see the way I take the do am, so just dey carry your eye, dey watch. See the way it tastes strong. Not be say I want to swallow am. Why I make am strong like this? Because I won't add enough water, make it cook. Pando, when not cook. Now posh belle be that too. Now. Alright, now I don't add first water. I will need to break am, make the smoke for penetrate inside, come out from the top. In short, just dey carry your eye, dey watch am. Now carve all the carvable, remove am from inside the turning stick. So add more water. You see the reason why I make am very strong, so that it go cook well. Cover am for some minutes, open am again. Now I want turn the back. You see the way if you dey fry akara, you go come turn the back and the front so that everything go done equally. So now turning now this, so turn the other side, carry the last one now, turn now. After you don't turn and finish, I still cover am back again, make it cook from the other side. Now it don't cook finish. You see all the water when I pack put just now, everything don't enter inside. I know they like make my own too strong, because if it's too strong to still digest for stomach na wahala. Especially now where we say everybody now don't they do weight loss. My own weight loss, na so I take the do am. The swallow when supposed strong before, when go last for belle, according to my papa, I go say abeg no make am sakan so that I go still hold body reach next tomorrow. As it be say me now don't they do weight loss, now I go come make am very soft. So if you be like me, when they wake up middle of the night, 3 a.m 2 a.m, abeg try they make am soft. In case you go back to bed, you no go come to do your stomach brrr. You go still try that. Now the outcome of the swallow be this one. So now the time for us to come dilute am. Now you know I see the whole pass. That one a cow leg when I buy from that Indian shop the other time, it still never finished. I pack and put for inside the fridge. You see the way it tastes soft, peke. All right guys, I see you in my next video. Bye bye.